Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset GMC Terrain oil light. Turn the ignition to run without starting and locate the Driver Information Center buttons on the steering wheel. Navigate to the Vehicle Information menu, find Oil Life, and follow the reset prompt. Hold the Set or Check button until the display confirms reset. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can do it confidently. In this video, I will show how to reset GMC Terrain oil light. First, ensure the key is in run and the engine is off, then cycle through the instrument cluster menus with the Info button. When oil life appears, press and hold the Set or Check button for several seconds until the display reads 100% or shows a reset message. Release the button and verify the oil light stays off before driving away. In this video, I will show how to reset GMC Terrain oil light. Quick recommendation. After working on your vehicle, treat your car to Little Tree's black ice to mask lingering smells and keep the cabin pleasant. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset GMC Terrain oil light. If the reset does not take, try turning ignition off and repeating the procedure calmly, making sure you hold the button long enough. Check battery voltage if settings won't save, and inspect the steering wheel buttons for wear. For rare models with different menus, consult the owner manual for exact prompts and alternate reset sequences so you can finish the job without hassle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.